Are kerosene heaters potentially dangerous for indoor use?
Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that is very important for everyone's safety at home, the use of kerosene heaters. Specifically, we'll address the question, are kerosene heaters potentially dangerous for indoor use? Let's get started.
What is a kerosene heater?
Kerosene heaters are portable, typically round-shaped heaters that are powered by kerosene fuel. They are popular because they are highly efficient, relatively affordable, and can function without electricity. However, their use, especially indoors, does come with some risks.
What are the potential dangers of indoor use?
Yes, kerosene heaters can indeed be dangerous when used indoors if not handled correctly. These dangers stem primarily from three factors. 1. Fire hazard. If knocked over or improperly handled, a kerosene heater could lead to a dangerous fire. Additionally, flammable objects in close proximity could ignite. 2. Air quality and ventilation. Kerosene heaters emit fumes and can significantly reduce indoor air quality. Continuous inhalation of these fumes can cause dizziness, nausea, and at high concentrations, could potentially lead to unconsciousness or death. 3. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Kerosene heaters consume oxygen and produce carbon monoxide, CO, as a byproduct. This colorless, odorless gas can build up indoors and cause CO poisoning, which can be fatal.
How can I use kerosene heaters safely?
Despite these potential dangers, there are ways to use kerosene heaters safely indoors. 1. Maintain a safe distance. Always place your kerosene heater at a safe distance from flammable objects. 2. Ventilate the room. Ensure that the room where the heater is used is well ventilated. This can be done by periodically opening windows or doors to let fresh air in. 3. Monitor carbon monoxide levels. Install a carbon monoxide detector in your home to warn you if the CO levels become dangerously high. 4. Use correct fuel. Always use the correct type of kerosene, typically labeled 1K. Using gasoline or other fuels can cause an explosion. 5. Never leave it unattended. Do not leave a lit kerosene heater unattended. Make sure to turn it off before you go to bed or leave the house. In conclusion, while kerosene heaters can indeed be a potential indoor hazard, appropriate usage and caution can mitigate these risks. By following the safety tips we just discussed, you can make use of these heaters without putting your safety at risk. Remember, safety first. We hope this video has been helpful in understanding the potential risks and safe practices associated with using kerosene heaters indoors. Until next time, stay safe.